Sean Brady. I'm a TY student in St Mary's Portlaoise CBS. I've been doing woodwork since first year. I quite like woodwork because it gets me to use my creativity towards wood, as I'm going to use these skills to become a carpenter in the near future.
First year woodwork, students are given the opportunity to explore and develop new skills in a practical and engaging environment. Students are exposed to a variety of woodwork skill building activities that is done through the use of project work that has been specifically developed with them in mind to be engaging and motivating for them. Practical elements of the subject are supported by small amounts of theory that support students here within the subject, but also provide links to other practical subjects such as metalwork and tech craft. As you'll see from the tour, we have state-of-the-art rooms here in CBS. We have 2 senior rooms and 1 smaller junior room that are all fully equipped to support your students as both a workshop and a classroom.